a little unboxing for my 2020 October Spooky Box, which is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive subscription box. You sign up for it for a one-time subscription and you get it in October. And I've already cut it open and I'm gonna show you what's inside this really fun little box. So first thing we have here is the Spooky Box card, and I'm pretty sure this is going to tell us everything we have inside, but let's not quite show you that so we can sort of look at it together as we go through. We have here a pair of, they look like embroidery scissors. Oh, here we go. These are Black Magic scissors, and they're 4 inches long, stainless steel. Well, those are kind of cool. I do some cross stitching, so that actually is kind of nice. Let me see what the card says about that. The card says that they are 4-inch Black Magic scissors, and it states here, beware the power of these matte Black Magic scissors. They cut so nicely you might never be able to put them down again. Put a hex on stray threads and banish dog ears with these satisfying snips. And it says here that these scissors retail for $8.48. So those look kind of nice. Like I said, I needed a pair for my cross stitch. Let me get my own cat out of the way here. Sorry about that. What do we have here? Oh, speaking of cats, we have the Tale of Terror Spooky Cat Hanger. And it looks like it sits on your sewing machine here and hangs off, and I think this tail is where you can hang things. Keep your tools within reach. Well, that's kind of cool. Well, that's sort of neat how it sticks on. All right, let's look at that in the card and see what it says. Here, let me find it. Okay, Tale of Terror, Spooky Cat Hanger. And it says here, excuse me, Jasper, don't be such a scaredy cat. This little fellow is here to help. This Tale of Terror Spooky Cat Hanger is able to stick on or near your sewing machine, holding scissors, bobbins, and more with a flick of its terrible tail. And it retails for $6.48. That's kind of cool. I'll just see how that works. It says stick on. Oh, I see. So there's a little adhesive there. Adhesive tape. But I bet you could stick this on with a command strip. Bet you could make that work. Nice. Okay, let's see what's next here. A ruler. Looks like it's a 4.5 by 4.5 inch ruler. It is by Fiskars, and this is one of those ones that has that 1/4 inch seam indicator here. So that's kind of interesting. I do not have a ruler in this size, and let's see what it says here for this. The Fiskars 4.5 inch square ruler. What's white, black, and orange, and will keep your next quilt project from becoming a complete slasher flick. The Fiskars 4.5 inch square ruler will scare your rotary cutter straight to where you need it, featuring a bold 1/4 inch seam allowance. So there you go. Like I said, I do not have a ruler in this size, so I'm going to guess that this ruler will be used in the project because these always come with a project. I see fabric. Is there not a pattern in here? Oh, it's underneath. Okay, let's look at this pattern first. Okay, so this is the Cat-O-Lantern quilt pattern. Look how cute that is. Oh, that's adorable. So this quilt pattern, it's a nice booklet here. Ingredients for a spooky quilt like ours, and it tells you what fabric they used in the pattern picture. What else you will need? A 1/2 yard of binding and 1 1/8 yard of backing. And I don't want to share the pattern because, you know, you can't do that. But I will look inside and see that, oh, lots of pictures. And they're really good pictures. Here, I'll show you that one. Cool, huh? Nice. And they gave us the fabric that is stated on the back here. Right here. And I'm going to say these are 1/2 yards. These look like 1/2 yards. They don't look like fat quarters to me. So what we have here, this is from the Ghouls and Goodies line, which is a motif fabric, by Stacy Lest Sue. I do not know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but we have 3 of these here. There's the print. Look how cute that is. These, I think these are costumes. Look at the cat up there on the spider web. cute little bats too. Okay, I love that. And here is some script here on this one. Give me something good to eat. Trick or treat. Cute. I love the little bats and the little pumpkins in there. And then we have this purple, which are the jack-o'-lanterns with the black cat. Super cute. Love that. And then we have another piece of fabric here, if I can get it out. This one looks like, it looks like black on camera, but in real life, like, it almost looks a little bit, is that grunge? You can see there's gray all just through that. But like I said, it does not show up that way on the fabric or on camera at all. And this also looks to probably be a 1/2 yard. So that's quite a bit of little fabric there. Look at that, little spiders inside the box. And it says, let's get spooky. This is a super cute box. Let's see what it says here about the fabric. Let me find it on the card. Here it is. Ghouls and Goodies, a 1/2 yard bundle. They are 1/2 yards. I thought so. This custom set of 4 1/2 yards is a scream. You'll cackle with delight over these frighteningly fun fabrics filled with iconic Halloween themes. 1/2 yard bundle includes 3 SKUs from the Ghouls and Goodies collection and 1 grunge espresso. I thought that was grunge. And this retails for $21.48, and it is a Spooky Box exclusive. Did I say what the Fiskars retails for? $6.98. The $6.48 on the cat hanger. The pattern would have retailed for $9.98. Yeah. Very cute. I'm really liking this. I like everything that's in this box here. Really enjoying it. So this was the Spooky Box for 2020. I did not receive it last year. I didn't know about it. So I'm really excited to go ahead and get this and give this a try. So there you go. The 2020 Spooky Box.